Alright guys, welcome to this video. Today is February the 11th, and I just wanted to touch on a few things here with hashing ad space. I want to kind of go over some of these numbers again for you guys because I absolutely know that a lot of you guys don't understand what you have in your hands. This is an absolute gold mine. I think this is one of the best opportunities online right now to earn passive income, and I don't want you guys to miss out on this. Okay, so it's crucial that you understand what's going on here because I have introduced this to 133 people, and I believe this is less than 10% of these people are taking any action. So hopefully that's not you. Hopefully you're not one of these, 133 people of mine, or maybe you're just looking at this for the first time and you may be glazing over this. But please, please take a few minutes and understand what's going on here with this platform. This is a very unique way to earn passive income. So let me just get right into this and show you guys what you need to do to start earning. So if you're brand new, you're going to come over here, and under the Asimi stake, you're going to click on this. Right now, by the way, you can get an account for absolutely for free, and you can come back here and you can purchase a staking package. You can mint a simi. You can mint a simi, which is like mining a simi token every single day. Because just like Bitcoin, a lot of you guys can relate to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is mined, and Bitcoin obviously takes computing power, takes less electricity, hashing power. If you own a stake, if you own a mining rig, for example, with Bitcoin, you know that every single day there's a certain amount of Bitcoin that's released to the miners. Well, it's the same way with the Simi. Every single day there's a certain amount of a Simi token that's released to everybody that owns one of these staking packages. And right now, actually for the next 14 days and for the last couple months, we're able to have one of these staking packages for free, and that this all goes away in about 14 days. So right now you can come in here and you can mint a simi every single day. Now I want to show you guys if you really want to maximize your earnings, you'll come in here and you buy some simi staking. Now if you were to come back here right now, you're going to notice that it says 36.48 simi to buy a staking package. Now this is always going to fluctuate, but what I can tell you that this is always going to be worth $100 US. The only thing that's going to be different is the amount of simi that it takes to purchase that $100 US. Like right now, the price of a simi is roughly $2.75. So if you multiply this by 275, it's going to come up to $100. And just like any other coin, it's all about supply and demand. If there's more demand for a coin than there's supply, well, the price is going to go up. If there's less demand than supply, the price will go down. If you go over to the Waves exchange, I'd recommend getting yourself a Waves wallet, which is connected to the Waves exchange. You can come in here and you can buy and sell the Asimi token. So if you're earning as a free member right now, and you might have maybe a few coins, if you don't have enough for a staking package, right? You come in here and buy some extra Asimi. Right now, the current price is 0.0077 Bitcoin for one Asimi, and it fluctuates. Like I said, just depends, on the supply and demand of the current time period. So 0.0077. If you come back here to this website I use, preeb.com, you can check out what that is worth. 0.0077 is worth $2.74 US dollars. Now you're probably asking yourself, well, how much can you earn every single day? Well, one of these staking packages, if you come under, and if you want to know, well, how much a simi can I mint or mine in a day? Well, just come under transactions, come under the minting summary, and it'll show you the previous day. and it's been hovering around one Asimi token per staking package here. It just went under one. As you can see here, I'm up to 21. One of these is free, right? Because we're able to have one for free right now. And I've purchased 20. So I have 21 minting packages, and they're earning me just under 21 coins per day. So obviously divide this into this, and that's just under one Asimi per day. So you're earning $2.75 a day for free, absolutely for free right now if you take advantage of the offer and come in and start minting every single day. And obviously, if you want to earn more than $2.75, you'll buy the needed coins and purchase a staking package. And there's no limit, guys, to this is how powerful this is. If you want to earn $100 a day, well, how many these minting packages do you need? Well, if the current price is $2.75, now again, guys, always remember that this is going to fluctuate. The price of a Simi could go down, could go up. Also, the amount of coins that you get every single day could go down, could go up. My thoughts on this is that obviously as more people mint, the less you will earn every single day. Like this is just under one. It used to be like, I mean, I could go back. If I go back all the way, this is going to blow your mind, guys. If I go back all the way, if you would have joined me back in when we just got started here, back in November, you can see here, this was my free mint for the day, 622 coins. Does that not blow your mind at $2.75 a coin? November 18th, 268. Now I didn't even know what I had back then, because you can see here 16th, I missed a day. I missed a whole week. I could have had hundreds and hundreds, a few thousand of these coins. Now, you have the same opportunity here, guys. Now, you're not going to earn this many coins a day, but you're still earning coins. And that's powerful, because the coin, in my opinion, will continue. In my opinion, this is just my opinion, it'll continue to rise, level off, and usually once, let me just go back here to the page here and I'll kind of show you guys, because usually what happens is if there's more people buying minting packages, that means that there's a demand for the coin, right? Common sense. The more minting packages sold means that there's more people buying a Simi, because you need a Simi to buy the staking packages. So that creates a demand on the market. So the price will rise. And also, there's not much supply, because obviously everybody's a lot of people are putting their Asimi into the staking packages, which are locked, by the way, for 1 full year. So you're not selling them, you're not giving them up, you're just kind of locking them away for 1 year, and then you get them back. Okay, so let's do the math on this again. Like if you want to earn $100 a day, and this is just based on today's Simi value, and if you're earning 1 token per staking package, okay, 100 divided by $2.75, you need 36 staking packages, which is roughly $3,600 for $100 a day. Now, what's your ROI on that? Because it's all about return. How fast can you get your capital back? Well, if you were to buy 36 packages and start earning 36 tokens a day, roughly at $2.75, $100 a day, in a month, that's $3,000. So it'll take obviously 36 days for your capital to come back to you. And again, guys, there's no limit to this. How many do you want to make? $200 a day? 300? Well, you can just do the math. Personally, it's my goal here, and I've mentioned this before. I want to get to 100 of these packages as fast as possible. And I'm hoping to do this, in the next, I'd say, week to 10 days. Because if I have 100 of these packages and I'm earning 100 roughly tokens a day, that's 200. And if the price remains the same, and if we're still earning 1 token a day, now again, if we're earning less tokens but the price rises, it's going to be roughly still around the same amount of money. So $275 a day. And hell, guys, I mean, if it's a little bit less than that, that's fine too. Okay, so another thing I wanted to point out is you can refer people to buy staking packages, and you earn 10% of whatever your referrals mint. So just think about this, guys. If you have 100 people with 1 stake each, now I know, 100 people might seem hard to find. I have 133, but I've been doing marketing for quite a while. But, if you can find even 10 people who buy 10 staking packages, and again, that's not a whole lot. 10 staking packages times 10 people, that's 100 staking packages. And if you're earning 10% of what they mine, if they're earning one say Assimi a day, 10% of that is 10 Assimi a day. So you'd be earning an extra 10 Assimi a day. That's an extra $27.50 a day, based again on current prices. So you can see how powerful it is, the commission structure. And again, guys, this is passive. You don't have to refer people. You might want to do a bit of both. You might want to refer a few people, because again, this is a passive opportunity. You're not having to sell. There's no auto ship, and you're technically not even making a purchase. I mean, you're just locking your Assimi away. What else can I show you guys here to hopefully you get this? Hopefully this is clear for you guys. Hopefully you're starting to see the power of this. Active staking. Yeah, I don't really need to show you a whole lot. I think hopefully you get what's going on here. My statistics here, my referrals 133, and my total volume is $4,700, which means 47 staking packages have been purchased. And I know one person in here bought about 9 of these, so that's why I'm saying probably less than 10% of my referrals here are doing anything. Now, maybe, and again, I believe it's because this is a little bit of a unique opportunity. It's wrapped in a unique way. It's not you just come in here and you're earning 2% a day or 1% like a lot of people are used to. This fluctuates. The daily returns fluctuate. You have to buy a Assimi token, and then you have to buy a certain amount every single day, or every time you want to buy a staking package, the amount's different. So I get it. It's a little bit confusing, but just know that the numbers don't lie. Always try to figure out what the return on your investment is, and if it's something that you can live with. To me, anything 30, anything like, what it is now is a complete and utter no-brainer. Even if it was a 60-day ROI or a 90-day ROI, that's still an amazing return. Okay, guys, so hopefully you get this. I'm going to wrap this up. If you have any questions, make sure you contact me. But have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.